Hi guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel, the iTech Creator. Guys, today Sunday 15 August 2020. I have got some free time and decide to go to the one of the attractive and natural beautiful place of Tripura, the Dumala waterfall under Khoi district. Around 80 to 90 kilometers from the city Agartala. So guys, let's go. So guys, I am started from Agartala. You can see guys, the rain is falling. Still now I am at Bormurahi. Time is 7:30 a.m. morning. After this hilly area, I will cross the Khoi town. Guys, I am finally reached at Sampawa. I leave this Sampawa at 10 a.m. with my nephew and his friend. You can see here guys, they are with KTM bike. I think all the route is off road. Actually this is my first time in the Dumala waterfall. So guys, let's go. Finally we reach in our destination. So guys, you can see here the waterfall is really very nice. we have tagged some picture and videos to share with you. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.